Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So how to get headless avatar in Roblox? The first thing you want to do right now is go for Marketplace. Now once you're in here, type on the search bar right there, type in here Cindy. Alright? So if you type in Cindy right there, you're gonna get this one entirely for free. So make sure you click on buy this one, click on get now, and once you click it, click on that now. So let's settle for that one just for today. And in here, go back on the marketplace because we want to search another one. In here, type their black hair, click on enter. Now look for the one that's free. So the first ones are going to be paid. So in here, click on any price. For the maximum, type in 0. Click on apply. Now you're going to see the free hairs right there. You can choose anything as long as it's color black. For me, I think I'm gonna go with a longer hair. I'm just gonna scroll down just a little bit. I'm looking for a free long hair here. How about this one right here? The fluffy hair right there. So for this one, I'm looking for the buy option. So I think there is no buy option for this one because it's gonna be sold out. I'm gonna go for the upper sections. Look further, I'm gonna go with this one, the braided black hair. And for this one, I'm going to click on buy right here. Click on get now, and click on not now, just for now. It's redundant, right? Well, anyway, in here, look for the one that says avatar on the left section. And click your avatar, of course. Click on characters. Wait for it to load up. Go for Cindy. Now, once you have selected Cindy right there, look for head and body. In here, look for skin tone, like so. So select the advanced option. Look for the one that says head, make sure it's going to be clicked head, and look for black, the darkest possible color. Once that's settled, click on done. Now once that's settled, look for head and body, look for the one that says heads. In here, uncheck Cindy's head. Next up, head and body again, look for hair. So uncheck the current hair, like so. Look for the one that we have, or the braided hair we got earlier. And then again, head and body, look for face. So once you're in here, make sure everything is unchecked. Same drill for the eyes, head, and faces. The accessories as well for the head. Make sure in here nothing is selected. And basically for that one, we have successfully made a faceless avatar. If you want to take this up a notch, change the clothing. But for now, we're going to focus on the head.